Hello. 6 weeks after bud break. Grapevines are going nuts. I wanted to show off that I have grapes forming. And I'll talk a little bit about that in this video. So quick vocab / flower anatomy lesson. So this is the flower. The grape flower is missing a few of these parts. It doesn't have petals, but it does have the stigma, which is the female portion, and the anther, which is the male portion that stores the pollen. And so the pollen is basically transferred by a variety of different means from the anther to the stigma. And it goes through the stigma to the ovary, and that's where the grape berry forms. And in pictures I'm going to show you in a moment, you'll be able to see some of these grape flowers that are turning into grapes. And these are some of my grape flowers. This is at 6 weeks after bud break. And as you can see, that bottom portion, the ovary, is swollen. As you can see here, these ovaries are they've all been fertilized, and they're all expanding and forming into grapes. And currently, this is what the actual grapevines look like. They've grown a lot of vegetative growth. All of these shoots have grown to, some of these are already 3 feet long. Some of them actually 4 feet long, which is crazy. This is 6 weeks after bud break. And so some of these vines are averaging, almost a foot a week. In the last week, some of them have grown 2 feet in one single week. So there's a lot of solar energy here in Arizona. So perhaps that's what's allowing these to grow so fast. So I'm excited. All right, here's the cluster I had in the photo earlier. So these are all little baby grapes. These are the ovaries that have been fertilized by pollen, and they're developing into little grapes. So the ovary just gets bigger and bigger, and so when you eat a grape, you're just eating that ovary. All the other parts of the flower end up falling off because they're no longer needed. And they'll just continue growing and bigger and bigger. I think it probably takes about another week or two, and all those anthers will fall off. And they're already starting to fall off. Like if you run your fingers over them, the anthers just kind of shed off in your hand. Well, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.